Hey there, wealth builders. Today, we're breaking down a huge myth. Why getting rich is easy actually. Most people think it's something only for the ultra successful, the lucky, or the Ivy League educated. But here's the truth. Anyone can build wealth, and it's easier than you think. You don't need a trust fund, a fancy degree, or even to win the lottery. What you do need is the right information, the right strategies, and the belief that you can achieve financial freedom. Let me show you how. In this video, we're diving into the steps that can take you from where you are right now to a life of financial security and abundance. So buckle up, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk mindset. Wealth starts in the mind. I know. It sounds like self-help fluff, but for real, studies show that people who visualize success are 40% more likely to achieve it. Think about it. If you believe getting rich is out of reach, you're less likely to make moves to get there. Wealthy people don't see wealth as some crazy, impossible dream. They see it as a realistic goal, something they can achieve with the right plan. And that's the difference. So, how do you shift your mindset? Start simple. Visualize what wealth looks like to you. Is it financial freedom to travel? Is it owning your dream home? Create a vision board or set a screensaver of what motivates you. That constant visual reminder keeps you focused on your goals. Remember, your thoughts influence your actions. If you believe you can achieve wealth, you are far more likely to take the steps to make it happen. If you can see it, you can be it. Next up, diversify your income. Think of income like a pie chart. Wealthy people don't rely on just one slice. They fill their pie with different income streams. This could mean your primary job plus a side hustle, investing, or even rental income. The truth is, relying on a single source of income is risky. Anything can happen. Unexpected job loss, industry changes, you name it. Multiple income streams act as a safety net, ensuring that if one source dries up, you've got others to fall back on. Let's say you're good at design. You could start freelancing, selling digital templates, or creating online courses. Or maybe you're a teacher. Why not start tutoring on the side? There are endless possibilities to leverage your skills. Every little bit adds up, and with multiple streams, you're creating a buffer against risk. And the more income streams you have, the faster you can build wealth. It's like having multiple engines propelling you towards financial success. Third, let your money work for you. Ever heard of compound interest? It's where your earnings generate even more earnings. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling more money out of your investments. Imagine you start with just $100 a month in an index fund with a 7% annual return. Over 30 years, you'd have more than $120,000. And that's with just $36,000 of your own money. The rest is pure growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. But even if you're starting later, don't worry. It's never too late to start investing. Whether you're a teen, a college grad, or nearing retirement, investing regularly is the best way to make your money work as hard as you do. Remember, the longer your money sits, the more it grows. thanks to compound interest. It's the closest thing to a guaranteed way to build wealth. Chapter 4. Automate your savings and investments. Set it and forget it. Point 4 is where simplicity comes in. Automation. This might be the easiest part of the entire plan. By automating your savings or investments, you're ensuring wealth building happens automatically. Think about it. How many times have you said you'll save at the end of the month, only to find there's nothing left? We've all been there. Automation takes willpower out of the equation. Many people use apps that round up purchases, investing that spare change without even realizing it. If you can set aside $20 or $50 a week automatically, that small amount quickly grows. This is what wealthy people do. They don't leave savings to chance. They set it and forget it, letting the magic happen in the background. It's like having a personal finance assistant working for you 24/7, making sure you're consistently building wealth. Chapter 5. Be smart about debt. Avoid high interest traps. Finally, avoid the wealth killer, high interest debt. Every dollar you pay in credit card interest is a dollar you could be investing. It's like pouring water into a leaky bucket. You're working hard, but your money is slipping away. People who build wealth treat debt strategically. They understand that not all debt is bad debt. For example, a mortgage on a rental property can be a good debt if it generates positive cash flow. If you have debt with interest over 5%, prioritize paying it down. It's like putting cash back in your pocket. Think of it this way. Paying off a high interest debt is the same as earning that interest percentage in investments. And if you're debt-free, awesome. Direct that extra cash into building wealth. You're starting with a clean slate and can put your money to work for you much faster. Chapter 6. Leverage your skills. Your passion is your goldmine. Here's the thing, your hobbies and skills are more than just fun activities. They're untapped gold mines. Don't underestimate the power of what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Maybe you're a gamer, a fitness fanatic, or someone who loves baking. Turn that passion into a profit stream. The internet has leveled the playing field. Anyone can start earning from what they love. For example, if you're great at cooking, why not start a YouTube channel or sell home-cooked meals locally? Into fitness, start offering online coaching sessions. Or if you're creative, try selling digital designs on platforms like Etsy or freelancing on Fiverr. The best part, you'll be doing what you love while getting paid for it. Imagine this, you're not just working for money anymore. You're waking up excited to do what you love, and the money becomes a byproduct of your passion. That's freedom. And here's a secret to supercharge your passion projects, the right connections. Let's talk about how networking can take your journey to the next level. Alright, if you're ready to make wealth a reality, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let us know where you're starting on your wealth journey. We're in this together, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. And stay tuned, in the next video, we're diving into the easiest side hustles to start in 2024. No big budget needed. We're going to break down the steps to get started, how to find clients, and how to maximize your earnings. Getting rich doesn't have to be complicated. With small, smart moves, wealth is within reach. So start today and watch your future transform. Let's make this your wealthiest year yet.